In order to describe a gas, you need to know 4 quantities about the gas. For starters, remember that a gas is just a type of matter, and all matter, as we understand it, is made of little tiny particles. So think about the little particles that make up a gas. Well, those particles take up a certain amount of space. And we call that the volume. And the particles are moving, and if we consider their average energy, their average kinetic energy, you might remember that that is the definition of temperature. And because the particles are moving, they bump into each other, and they bump into the walls of their container. And every time they hit each other or hit the walls of their container, they apply a little tiny bit of force. And if we take those collective forces divided by the area over which it acts, we have pressure. And so altogether, we have 4 quantities that you need to totally describe a gas. You need to know how many particles are in the gas. You need to know the volume of the container. You need to know the temperature of the gas. And you need to know the pressure of the gas. And what we'll find out is that these quantities are related to each other too. If you change one of the quantities, it's going to change another one. Just one simple example to start. Imagine that you change the number of particles. If you were to squeeze more particles into this container, then there'd be more collisions between the particles, more little forces, so you just increase the pressure. The number of particles would be related to the pressure. We'll see some other examples coming up in some more videos.